You must first go to dashboard.qtmedical.com/activate to create your username and password. Then download the QT ECG app. Tap the app icon to open the app. Enter your user account and password, then press the login button. Go to the side menu and click on Tutorial to view a quick tutorial. You may press Get Started at any time to skip the tutorial and start your recording. Attach the electrodes. Patient should rest for at least 5 minutes before taking an ECG recording. First, position the blue box at the center of the chest between the nipples. Then wrap the tail of the strip around the left chest. Pull the electrode marked with right arm to the right arm, left arm to the left arm, and left leg to the left lower abdomen or upper thigh. Swipe to the left for the next tutorial. Connect the recorder. Snap in the recorder to the connector of the strip, then power on the recorder by pressing the power button until you see the lights flashing. Start recording. Now, sit back in a reclined position, relax your muscles. Use a mobile phone or tablet to connect via Bluetooth, then follow the on-screen instructions. Press to get started. Tap on the New button to input the patient's medical record number, MRN or any arbitrary numbers if unknown, first and last name, gender, date of birth, and electrode strip size. When you are finished, click on the record icon to start recording. The app will automatically scan, connect with PCA 500 recorder, and initialize recording. This screen displays the status of the leads on the patient's body, which only shows when there's a lead off error. If the lead icon shows lead off, please follow the on-screen troubleshooting tips. When troubleshooting is successful, the app will automatically continue recording a 10-second ECG. If you press the redo button, it will start another 10-second recording. When the recording is done, it will automatically start processing. Once completed, press OK. You may press the Note button to add a note to this recording. Press the Record button to make another recording. Press Report to view the PDF file of the last recording you have done. Press Done when you are done recording. Offline recordings. After completing your recording, and if recorded locally, check your internet connection is displayed, please check your internet connection. In the main view, press the icon on the upper right-hand corner. The pop-up window will display the number of items remaining that still need to be uploaded. The app will automatically upload the recordings once the internet is connected. Thank you for choosing QT Medical for your ECG needs.